on
All right, y'all. So we got this right here heating up. That's the distilled water for the bluing solution. And we've got the parts over here soaking in some mineral spirits. We're done buffing everything. And over here we have our rinse bath for after the solution mix. And we are using your standard homemade stuff. We've got gourmet sea salt crystals, aka non-iodized salt, distilled white vinegar, aka distilled white vinegar, and hydrogen peroxide,
aka hydrogen peroxide.
Amen. We will be back in a moment.
Live.
We are live in the ring.
How you made the camera with the squares like that?
Oh, that's it's a part in the settings in there, and it's part of grid lines. It's called grid lines.
And
in your camera settings.
I know for why you.
I just make sure it helps us stay centered.
Got it.
So we got one.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it. It does come handy. 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. It's not very much, Paw.
Yeah, I think that's why it brushes it in on.
Yeah, makes sense.
We could always double it. Ain't gonna hurt nothing.
No, I ain't hurt nothing.
These are cheap. Ain't like the expensive greens either.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. That down. This one.
It's not right. Do it with the cap on. Do it with the cap on, and it'll fill up the cap.
Yeah, do that again.
No, put a cap on it. You know that? That's what you're supposed to do. Yeah. Now you do it upside down. Like that. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So you can measure it out.
Oh, well, how big you think that cap is?
Probably maybe two of those teaspoons, tablespoons.
No, actually, I never really paid no mind with the cap.
You're gonna need more now.
That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, definitely need more of that.
Save for making a mess, Yeah. And save salt. You can always keep it, or salt's cheap.
Yeah.
It's one thing you should be stocking up on salt. I've been buying iodized salt though, but cheap.
Right.
Big thing at Sam's, a couple bucks, and it's a pound or 2 pounds or something.
Yeah, it'll get the job done for sure.
Especially if you got to cure meat.
Right.
Not to mention, might be monetary, just like it was in old days. You work your weight in salt. That's how you used to get paid in salt.
I remember some stories Granddad used to tell me. Yeah, times were tough back then. People nowadays, they have no clue what hard times really are.
No,
not in America.
Hell no, they used to go to work in suits back then. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, yeah.
I couldn't do that. I got to have my shorts. Ain't no way I'm going to work in a suit. For a regular job. I can understand you got a suit and tie job.
Right.
But they used to stay out on the street in suits.
Yeah.
Alright, now put it in the microwave. Put it in the heater upper for 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
The heater making her happener. Yeah.
I remember that Ray Romano episode. They were all both of them were by the microwave while the food was heating up.
Taking the parts out of the acetone bath. I use paint thinner, acetone better, paint thinner work. That's what I had on hand.
Oh, we could have used the acetone that we have down here.
I forgot we had it.
I did too until you just said something.
Hey, same stuff. What we doing?
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, we already did CLR, so ain't like a soup. Well, you did spray it.
Right.
It's not gonna hurt.
No.
Well, I guess I'll go straight from drying it to putting the stuff on straight in the barrel.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Alright.
Need to probably air dry it, huh?
Grab some gloves. Now you're gonna need gloves. Alright. Blow off the extra water on the excess water. You want to wear gloves not just because of the chemicals, but also not to get no fingerprints on the metal. Some standard nitrate blue. Same one the doctor goes pokey with.
Right.
I'm going to paint it with the solution. Alright. Now we're applying the solution. Good, nice coat. Like you're pasting your turkey right before you fry it. Deep fry it with butter.
Yes. Be liberal about it. Just don't be liberal.
Yeah. So that's a contradiction in itself, huh? I say they do want to give everything away. So
Yeah.
it's not the right places.
Right.
Let's see how it's turning the colors already.
Yeah.
It's turning the peroxide.
Yeah, probably so. Alright. And we will
Drop it in the boiling water.
In the water.
Well, it's turning blue already.
That's pretty cool.
And you do this for about 3 minutes. We'll be back.
Either way, we got little shot towels. I got a bucket of shot towels there.
That's probably another reason.
Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. It's just the first coat. It's pretty good.
Yeah, now we just gotta polish it. Yeah. I know it's been 3 minutes, man.
Yeah. Alright, so we have a clean rag here. When we take them out of the blue and bath, we'll set them here until it's time to put them back in. I'm gonna have to redo them. We have to redo them.
You just need to polish it, then you redo it. Yes. You gotta polish it first.
I'll polish it first,
Then
and then,
repaint
alright.
it. Stick it back in.
Gotcha.
To get it shiny.
Gotcha. Alright. We'll let that cool off a little bit. Alright, probably pretty warm.
Yeah, still kind of hot. You feel me? Make sure I ain't doing this and we ain't getting I'll blow it off, recoat it, and do it again.
All right, every little bit, every time it helps.
Yeah.
Makes it better looking. Yeah.
That's probably from the, when we clean it, so
There,
we
yeah,
get
that,
it
yeah,
off.
clean it, yeah.
That's probably why it looks like that. All right, it's a little warm.
Yeah, a little bit warm. Check it out, y'all. Starting to look good. And yeah, it's a little bit warm. So give us a like. This is hot. It's burning my hand, y'all.
And subscribe. Job do one day when it's cold. We got it warming up over this.
Yeah, yeah. Not bad though. Other than the rust, you know, it's not. It doesn't smell very great, but it's not harmful.
Oh, it's probably vinegar, no more.
Well, yeah, no, we opened it up in here. I bet if we close that door, it'll start smelling again.
Yeah, I'm not getting in the grooves, so maybe it'll make like a two-tone color, like just on the top part. You know,
Yeah.
or that thing. It might two-tone the inside and the outside.
Yeah, maybe.
Look a little cool.
Yeah.
I ain't applying no pressure. I'm just a little scuff, a little polishing,
Nice.
and re-soap and redo.
Oh wait, we gotta blow it.
That'll be alright.
There's a bunch of metal in it.
Oh. Yeah, that part. We're professionals.
Professional now.
Emphasis on professional. Because we're doing this with man products, and it works.
Yes.
Stuff we had in. Well, I didn't. He had in his house.
Yep. Most of it anyway.
And that's all I used to use was sea salt before I went to Himalayan salt.
Mm-hmm.
We
All
left
right,
those in there,
y'all.
what, about 6 minutes, 7 minutes?
Something like that. All right, y'all. The hammer and the trigger are complete. Minus a little just final polishing. These things are finished. And I tell you what, the method here is excellent. I think it works great. No, these are not aluminum, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on there anyway, because why not? Since we don't have access to a blow dryer, we're giving it our own heat treatment at the moment.
Like I'll just do this little section with you. Is it oily?
Yeah, it needs to be cleaned. Yeah, don't do that yet. I hadn't sprayed it down with the brake cleaner yet.
It ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Nah.
I can just tell it's not so.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
I'm about to get you.
Oh yeah, Yoda's fussing with them boys back in the backyard. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
One of them methods.
Yeah. Could always use electrolysis as well.
Yeah. This is blue, this ain't. This before that.
Right.
Before iodization.
Gotcha.
And just let it sit on there a little while and
Cool.
wipe it off. And see if you gotta do it again. I didn't sand out all the knocks and stuff, you know. I just sanded it to where it looked good.
Right.
You know, you want the...
Well, no, you want to leave some of the originality to it.
Right.
You got without a full restoration, you're gonna leave some originality to it.
Yeah, well, something like that, you ruin the value doing it. A lot of them, when you do it full, messing with a period, you ruin it.
Yeah.
Like I said, this thing ain't worth nothing anyway. So.
Right, right. No, it's just cool. You know,
Yeah. Yeah, a bunch. same color too. Basically, pour it out. Watch one drips in that look. It's like the same blue.
Yep, it does. Interesting. I actually wanted to do the trigger bar and the safety selector and the damn it, I had it out and I put it away, the mag catch. I wanted to do all of those external pieces. Mike, I mean, you can still do them. Shouldn't be an issue.
Mom might be able to get a small bottle of that stuff.
Right. Give me something else I can do to work on this week.
Yeah, you ain't gonna be out here Monday and Tuesday, I guarantee you that.
Oh, no. No, if I'm gonna be doing anything, it'll be on the inside.
That's what you're doing your work.
Yeah, as far as assembling, yeah, I can probably just...
No, I'm talking about that cold blower.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that plus the assembly, I can do all that in the bedroom. It should be a big problem. No, I'm not gonna want to be out here.
Right.
Not at all.
You'd have to sand that to get it all out. But like I said, you want to leave the character in it, so it re-blues it, so you can still see it.
Yeah.
It's good. You can do it some more if you want. Probably don't get much.
Yeah.
It's pit in there. Ain't nothing you can do about that.
It's better than it did.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Even these booed up a little bit, so maybe it will work on steel.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah. I'll take that little container right there. This one.
Yeah.
And pour it in there.
Ah.
And do your little pieces. And see if it does anything. Then just pour it back in.
Cool. All right. That'll work.
You test, you know.
Absolutely.
Then when that aluminum bag works.
This is the next batch of parts getting blued. Got the extractor, takedown lever, the trigger bar, and the slide lock. They're re-blued. Now we'll soak them for 24 hours like we did the rest. Thank y'all for watching part 3. Follow our socials and head on over to 504tactical.com/store. Get the merch. Please help support us. God bless and thanks for watching.